Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Virtualized Intel VT-x error when running a virtual machine on VMware. Now I will start a virtual machine to show you how the Virtualized Intel VT-x error appears. This is a common issue when running a virtual machine on VMware. The virtual machine fails to start with the error Virtualized Intel VT-x is not supported. Now let's fix it together. Go to the control panel, then select Programs and Features. On the left side, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Make sure that services like Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Virtual Machine Platform are not checked. If they are checked, uncheck them. Step 2. Disable Turn on Virtualization-based security in Local Group Policy. Go to the search bar and type gpedit.msc, then click Run as Administrator. On the left side, expand Administrative Templates. Expand System. Find and click on Device Guard. Right-click on Turn on Virtualization-based security and select Edit. Select Disabled and click Apply. You should now see the state as disabled. Step 3. Disable Memory Integrity and Windows Security. Go to the search bar and type Core Isolation, then press Enter to open it. Here you will see the memory integrity option is turned on. Click the toggle switch to turn it off. Next, open the command prompt as administrator to disable Hyper-V. Go to the search bar and type CMD, then right-click and select Run as administrator. Now copy this command and paste it into the command prompt, then hit Enter. The command is provided in the description below. You will see a message that says, "The operation completed successfully. Once done, restart your computer for the changes to take effect." After restarting the system, I will now restart the virtual machine to check if everything is set up correctly. It should start without any issues. We have successfully fixed the issue. I hope this guide makes your work easier. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.